Hello and welcome to today's video on how to install additional modules to DSS Pro or DSS Ultimate. So first of all, you need to have your DSS server installed and up and running. And now you can go to our official webpage software-dahuasecurity.com and go to support and download. And here select your version of DSS, so either Ultimate or Pro. In my case, it's DSS Pro. And select your version. In my case, it's DSS Pro 8.8. And down here you can see your additional plugins. So Intelligent Inspection plugin, Smart Education, or Smart Retail plugin. Now download the plugin. After the module is downloaded, we can open it and we should read the release notes. And after we get familiar with them, we can open the installation package. We can click on Run. Now we get notification that the server is running, and if we want to continue, click on OK. Now there is information that the installation is stopping the server. Now we have the installation running for this plugin. We should get familiar with the license agreement and click on this checkbox, click on next step. Just get to know that if the installation path is correct. If it's correct, click on install. Now after the plugin is installed, you can click on run. After the server is up and running after the installation, you want to open the DSS client and log in. And you can manage the installed plugins in configuration, system deployment, and in plugin config. As you can see here, you can see the plugin version, if it's running, and you can turn it off or on here. So even if the plugin is after the installation not running, or maybe you don't see it, you should check this option if it's turned on, and you can do the same with every other plugin. After I installed Smart Retail plugin, you can see the plugin here in plugin config 2 with the version that it's turned on, and also both of these plugins now appeared in the main menu, as well as Intelligent Inspection and Smart Retail 2. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and have a nice day.